And you know, as far as if you're looking for medicine for anything, the Little Remedies, which is the natural, no additives brand of cough syrups and children's medication, their honey cough syrup actually has Bacillus cereus, which is I probably butchered it a little bit, but it's essentially it's going to cause vomiting, diarrhea. It's just like something like along the lines of like a stomach bug that it's going to give you, but that's typically used for children ages 1 and up. So
shit. I just seen that today.